Hello. Today, I will briefly introduce the distributed microservice architecture e-commerce backend code I developed for a client during my previous work. This code is the 2.0 version, which we will later upgrade with more advanced features. Today, we will focus on the 2.0 version. Make it easy for everyone to understand. I will only provide a brief overview of the code framework without delving into specific code function. Here is the architecture of the code. We use an aggregation layer to provide a unified API interface externally. Multiple services are used to deploy various modules separately, including the main information service, image service, attribute service, and the product category service. Now, let's take a closer look at the code for each module. First, let's look at the code for the aggregation layer. The aggregation layer unifies the externally exposed API interface, making it convenient for the frontend to call, and is responsible for business process orchestration. The technology used here is Spring Boot. We also use the Keeper for grayscale control, facilitating version updates. This is the specific code for the category where the SQID and the product-related information are retrieved. Here, product attributes, product images, and the product categories are obtained. Next is the main product information service module. The main information module is the core functionality of the product. This part is responsible for providing all the basic fields of the SKU, supporting operations such as creation, updates, and queries. It's also responsible for its own redispatching. This is also implemented using Spring Boot. You can see the specific code here. The database and the Redis container are configured here. This module also provides both new and old interfaces for Zookeeper grayscale switching at the business layer. Next, let's look at the image service. The image service handles higher frequency requests and also requires an independent Redis cache. It provides image for SQ and demands faster response times. Here, we use TTL standardization and hotspot isolation. You can see the specific code here. Next is the product attribute service. Attributes are one of the most complex parts of the product structure. Product attributes including specifications, colors, size, and so on. Here is the interface for querying product attributes, and the specific code is here. Category service. The functionality of this part of the code involves maintaining a multi-level category tree structure, binding category attributes, and Redis is used for category caching. Here is the category tree query interface, and the specific code is here. Finally, there are some common components of all files, such as Zookeeper, DTO tools, system monitoring, and the log. The specific code is here. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your watching. I will see you soon.